This video is sponsored by Squarespace, more about them later. IKEA released so many new products this fall. We've covered some of them in my last video, but I've missed some of the best ones. So today we're doing a part 2. If you're new here, hi, I'm Mon, and this is my dog Mars, and we love all things IKEA DIY and interior design. So before we dive in, please consider subscribing and hitting that like button to never miss another video again. Now we're starting right off with the first new IKEA product for this fall, and that is this gorgeous sleeper sofa. This is probably the most beautiful sleeper sofa I've ever seen at IKEA. I mean, just look at this gorgeous fabric in this beautiful green color. I love it so much. This sofa turns into a single bed just by pulling the armrest and folding it down, which is so smart. Under the seat, you'll find a practical storage space that will keep your items hidden but close at hand. Such a cozy and stylish sofa bed that's perfect for small spaces. Another new product at IKEA this fall is this dark brown oak effect bedside table. This bedside table with 2 spacious and smooth running drawers will help you have everything you need easily accessible by your bed. The design of the integrated handles along the upper edges makes it easy to open the drawer while looking so modern and simple. This one also comes in a version with 1 drawer for $49.99. A Pouffe that's new at IKEA this fall is this beautiful velvet dark blue Pouffe with storage. This gorgeous Pouffe has such a timeless expression with a modern twist. The soft conical shape is topped by a comfortable padded seat that hides a practical space where you can store magazines or extra throws. This one also comes in dark beige, but I gravitate towards this velvet one for sure. Another one that's also new at IKEA this fall is this large round ottoman in a classic style. This one comes in 2 color options, brown and beige, and has so much space underneath for storage. Plus, the lid is so easy to open and is held up by 2 gas springs, so you have both hands free when putting things in or taking them out. Such a practical solution. A shelving unit collection that's new at IKEA this fall is the SPIKSMED collection. This collection consists of a few storage units in a gorgeous light gray color, and we're starting off with the first product, which is this open shelf unit. This one's honestly like an improved version of the Kallax unit. I like it a lot. It's made so nicely and smartly. It has open storage at the top and closed storage with sliding doors in the bottom, making it a perfect product for small spaces. This one also comes in a sideboard version too, with 2 drawers at the top for $99. And another new product from that same collection is this wall-mounted media shelf. This one also has open and closed storage with sliding doors and has a simple cable management that allows you to hide cables on the inside behind the sliding door. Such a compact product, perfect for the entryway or as a TV unit. A floor lamp that's new at IKEA this fall is this neat reading lamp with a flexible arm. This one looks so good, it's perfect for enjoying a good book in a cozy sofa nook or next to your favorite armchair. Plus, the head is adjustable and allows you to direct the light as you like. Another new lamp at IKEA this fall is this blonde colored tripod with legs in solid ash that looks so cute. This one spreads a soft mood light through its white textile shade and is such a small and neat lamp that's easy to place anywhere throughout the home. Now let's take a quick break from our new IKEA finds so I can tell you about today's sponsor, Squarespace. I've been talking about Squarespace for quite some time now on my channel. That's because it's literally the best place to go if you want to build a website, get a domain, or create an online store. With their fluid engine, designing stunning websites is so easy, anyone can do it. You can customize every single detail with an intuitive drag and drop technology and unleash your creativity like never before. And if you want to create an online store, Squarespace makes it super easy to manage your clients and invoices. From vetting leads to receiving payments, you get it all in one place in a streamlined, customizable workflow. Not to mention, Squarespace is making payments seamless for your customers, accepting credit cards, PayPal, Apple Pay, and even offer buy now, pay later options with Afterpay and ClearPay in reliable countries. So if you're ready to build your dream website, head on to squarespace.com for a free trial. And when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/homebyman to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. I'll have it linked down below. This room divider is another new product at IKEA this fall. This lightweight, easy-to-fold room divider is so easy to put away and set up again. It has adjustable feet, making it easy to use at different angles. The fabric is easy to remove and machine washable. I love room dividers, especially in small spaces, since they help you create the feeling of a separate room within a room. It's such a quick and easy way to have different spaces for eating and socializing, working, or even for overnight guests. Another new IKEA product that's perfect for small spaces is this mobile drop leaf table. This space-saving table is multifunctional and comes in handy for so many different things, such as dining, studying, or preparing food. The drop leaves are so easy to fold down to save space, and the shelves are easy to access even when the leaves are folded down. Such a smart and practical product made out of durable solid pine that will save space while giving you so much storage. One of my favorite new IKEA products for this fall has to be this bench made out of solid acacia wood. First off, I love acacia since it's a natural material that ages beautifully and acquires its own unique character over time. It's also a material that withstands damp spaces, which makes it perfect for bathroom use too. Plus, this bench comes at $44.99, which is such a great price. Another product from that same collection is this shelving unit, again made out of acacia wood. This open shelving unit takes up a little floor space but still has room for everything from towels and bottles to toilet paper, and it's a perfect addition to any bedroom. A new mirror collection at IKEA this fall is the LINDBYN collection. And there are a few interesting mirrors in this collection, starting from this blue circle mirror. This mirror is made out of powder-coated aluminum and is such a budget product too, coming at $29.99. This one also comes in black and will fit anywhere in the home, plus is tested and approved for bathroom use too. Another new IKEA product from this same collection is this red mirror with rounded corners. I love how simple and minimal these mirrors look, yet will add so much interest to a boring wall. This one also comes in black and at such a great price point for $29.99. New home accessory I really like is this felt storage pocket for armrests. This one helps you keep your tablets, magazines, and remote controls organized. It's easy to hang over the armrest and fix under the seat cushion of your sofa or armchair. Also, this one from that same collection that perfectly fits under the bed mattress. This one has such an interesting check pattern and can be used as a laptop bag too, which is amazing. This bamboo serving stand is another new product at IKEA this fall. I love how simple and interesting this one looks, and I could totally see it used for organizing around the desk too, in the bathroom, or even on the kitchen countertop. A new IKEA product I just can't wait to get for myself is this set of 2 retro color-glazed cups. These are made out of stoneware and look so unique and so decorative. Plus, they are finished with a reactive glaze, which gives each piece a handcrafted and unique look. And the last new product I have for you today is all about the spirit of fall, and that is this artificial wreath with dried flowers. This one's made out of recycled plastic, however, looks so lifelike. It will make your home extra cozy for the autumn season ahead for sure. And that wraps it up for today. I really hope you liked this new IKEA finds. If you did, let me know which product was your favorite by leaving me a comment in the comment section below. Also, if you haven't checked out part 1 of this video, make sure to do so right away. I'll have it linked down below to learn about even more new IKEA finds. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please do it. I'm getting so close at reaching 100k subscribers, and I would appreciate your help so much. So hit that subscribe button right now. Me and Mars would be so thankful. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking with me to the very end. And as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! On today's menu for Mars, we have fish skin. So here you go, Mars. Wow, you're such a hungry boy. Mars loves fish. Oh my god, if you could sleep and eat at the same time, you would do it. We're not done yet. Was it tasty? Was it tasty, buddy? Let me know, guys, what should I give him next? Would you like him to try some fruit? Maybe apples or watermelon? He loves watermelon, right, Mars? Okay, say bye. Say bye. Bye.